Find the slope and y-intercept of the following function. To do this, we need to rearrange our expression to match slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where m is equal to our slope and b is equal to our y-intercept. The best way to do this would be to isolate the variable y. But in this case, we have a y on each side of the equal sign, so we're going to need to combine those first so that it's easier to isolate. So let's start by moving this 3y, which is positive, over to the other side. To do that, we need to do the opposite operation. Subtract 3y from both sides. These will cancel, leaving us with 11x. 5y minus 3y will give us positive 2y minus 13 equals 6x plus 18. Next, let's move the 13. 13 is being subtracted, so the opposite operation is addition. These will cancel, leaving us with 11x plus 2y equals negative 6x. 18 plus 13 will give us 31. And then we can move the 11x. The 11x is positive, so subtracting 11x from both sides will be opposite operations. These will cancel, leaving us with 2y equals negative 17x plus 31. Now, 2 is being multiplied to y, so our final step is to divide everything by 2. These 2's will cancel, leaving us with y equals negative 17 over 2x plus 31 over 2. Now, we just need to simplify these fractions to find our correct answer. But before we do, we can take a look at our signs, and we can eliminate c for having a positive m when we have a negative m, and we can eliminate a for the same reasons. So, to simplify, let's find out how many times 2 can go into 31. 2 can go into 31 15 times, which is 30. With how much left over? Well, 31 minus 30 would give us 1. So we have 1, 15, and 1/2, which does not match answer choice B, but matches answer choice D, our correct answer. At that point, you can mark D as your correct answer and move on with the rest of the test. However, I will continue to solve the problem. 2, the next step is to figure out how many times 2 can go into 17. 2 can go into 17 8 times, which is 16. With how much left over? Well, 17 minus 16 will give us 1. So we have 1, 8 and 1/2, negative, which also matches answer choice D.